Actually, this program, I mean Sedari Dini, is a new program and held by Culture and Education and Culture Office in Wajo. And before it has been launched for a month ago maybe, and before that launch, the office has held an interview for all of the students in Sengkang, and finally the result is all of the schools, some of schools in Wajo, we have some students who passed the interview, and especially for my students, we have for about 15 until 16 who pass in this program. And of course, we do really hope that this program will improve and increase our students' knowledge and ability, not only about the culture, our own culture in Wajo, but also their speaking skills, listening, and also another skills in English, of course.
Yeah. Okay.
Welcome, sir.
Okay.